Well, being a father and a husband, you kind of lose every single second of alone time, and you kind of want that alone time. But once you get that alone time, you're bored as hell, and you don't know what to do without all the chaos. So, everybody's sick and sleeping. There's Melanie, poor thing, sick and passed out. Alana, sick and passed out. Well, she got better today. I think she's just tired from being up all night throwing up. Fell asleep watching Dora. And then there's Dominique, sick and passed out. With a book. Uh-oh. You alright, bud? Melanie? Melanie? You alright? You still sick?